Okay, in part two of using a random number table, let's up the population size. Instead of just using divisions in the NFL, let's say now our population has increased to 50, particularly 50 states listed in alphabetical order, and we want to conduct a survey. And instead of asking every single state in the nation, we'd like to select a sample of just 4 states. So, how does that change the process for using the random number table? Well, once again, we got to ask ourselves the question, how many people, how many objects, in this case, how many states are in our population? And it would be 50. So now, when I use my random number table, I have to count off using 2 digits. So let's go back to our table. And in the previous video, I think I started somewhere around here. And just to clarify, it's totally up to you where you want to start. You want to try and be random as you can. Sometimes in the textbook, it'll say start at this line or start at this column. But if you're using this for your own sake and using this for your own study, you can just start really wherever you want. So I just randomly, let's say I'm going to start right, I don't know, let's say up here. Okay, and I'm just going to start right here at this 0. And I'm going to work my way from left to right. And if I exhaust myself in this row, I'm just going to pick up right down here and just keep going. Okay, but let's start here. And once again, my goal is I want to count off by 2s. And I'm selecting a sample size of 4. So the first one I'm going to select is 0, 2. Okay, so the second state. The next one is 33. Okay, that'll be my second selection. Now, notice as I go to the next number, I just skip this space and I go to 8 to 3, and it's 83. Okay, now I only have 50 states, so 83, this number is null. Doesn't really work for me. Just like the next one, 93, that doesn't work either. However, my next number, 18, I'm back in the game. All right, I can choose the 18th state. That does work for me. However, the next number, 54, doesn't work. 93, once again, does not work. 63 does not work. 46 does. Okay, and I believe that's my 4th state. So as a recap, let's go all the way back and just check our numbers. 0, 2, 33, 18, and 46. Okay, so 0, 2, 33, 18, and 46. So, once again, we're looking for 0, 2, 18, 46, and what was the other one? 33. All right, let's just double check that. And then we had, where were we here? 2, 33, 18, and 46. 2, 33, 18, and 46. I don't know why it keeps erasing my annotation. So the second state in the list would be Alaska. All right, the 33rd state, I believe these are counting off by 13. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is Louisiana. All right, so I've got my second one, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, North Carolina. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and last but not least, 46. Okay, so that's my sample of 4. I would use Alaska, Louisiana, North Carolina, and Virginia.